Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with this Victa 2-stroke lawnmower and it's got a broken pull start. So we're going to be showing you how to quickly and easily replace that yourself today. Now this is essentially the same procedure that applies to all 2-stroke Victa lawnmowers for the last 10 to 30 years. And anybody can do it with a minimal amount of tools. So in terms of the tools required to do this job, what you need essentially is a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm actually going to use a Phillips head bit on my impact just because it's a little bit easier and quicker. The newer Victa mowers actually have an 8mm socket, so just depends on the model, so either a Phillips head or an 8mm socket. Flathead screwdriver's useful. I've got a heat gun here. Now that's just to melt down the end of the cord so it doesn't fray. You could alternatively use a match. And in terms of consumables, you need 1.5 meters of 5mm cord and obviously your handle. So the first thing we're going to do is to remove the top cover and fuel tank. So make sure the fuel tap is turned off. That's in the horizontal position. And then we remove the fuel line from the carburetor like that. And then we use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove these 3 screws so that we can take that top tank cover off. Now if it's a newer model of Victa, as I said in the beginning, you will need an 8mm socket. So to start with, let's get this rubbishy old cord out. So I'm just going to melt down the end of that cord just with my heat gun. Now, if you don't have a heat gun, you can just use a match. All I'm doing is melting it just so that it doesn't fray, and then I'll grab it with my fingers and pinch it down. Just like that, so we can poke it through. And you can see that won't fray now. So to put a new cord onto your pull start, what you want to do is to tie a knot in one end and have it open on the other end. Then you want to take your pull start and turn it clockwise around to the start position, and then what you're going to do is keep turning clockwise and count the revolutions. So we've got 1, and you can feel the compression on that engine straight away actually, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you do 5 or 6 turns. I'm going to do 6 turns. Oh, you can see that's right at the end. So let's hold that there. And then what we do is we thread the cord through the hole. You can see it's come through there straight away. And then push it through the mechanism. You can see I pull it there, and then I can push it up through the hole that it's meant to go and pull it through all the way. Then I can let go of the pull start and we can see that's feeding all the way back in. So straight away we can see you've got our pull start and that's working really well. Perfect. So what we then want to do is to grab our handle and to feed the rope into the handle. Now this is where something like a flat screwdriver might be useful, just to poke it through, help you get it through from one side to the other and feed it all the way through. As you can see, I've been able to get that through, not too difficult. And then what you want to do is just to tie that off with some sort of a double knot is good enough. Like that, and essentially we're good to go. So then it's just a matter of reinstalling the top cover and fuel tank, and if you've taken the engine cowling off like I have, don't forget to put that back on as well. So with that pull cord replaced, the final thing to do is to give it a quick test start. So come around, switch that fuel on and give it 2 or 3 primes on that primer bowl. Then we set it to the start or the run position and give that pull a cord. And as you can see, that pull start is really functioning well now. So there you go folks, that's how to easily and quickly replace that pull cord on your Victa 2-stroke lawnmower yourself. And I really would encourage people to give it a go themselves. If you have liked this video, do remember to hit that like button. And if you're interested in other repairs to your Victa mower, or if you're interested in maintenance around the home, or in fact, if you're interested in servicing and maintaining vehicles, on the channel we've got the Audi, the Mercedes, the Mazda, the early Ford Falcon, so you might want to subscribe to the channel as well. But until next time, have a good evening.